The Texas Transfer. Let's start with that. And that's actually its real name. I'm not naming it Texas Transfer because I'm from Dallas, Texas. It is called the Texas Transfer. The creator of the Texas Transfer was from Dallas, Texas, and his name was Oswald Jacoby. And you are familiar with the Jacoby transfers. Well, he was the creator of both Jacoby transfers and Texas transfers. And we're going to look today at how the Jacoby transfer and the Texas transfer are going to build our major suit structure after partner opens some level of no trump, 1 no trump or 2 no trump opener, or 2 clubs, 2 diamonds, 2 no trump opener. And the Jacoby transfers allows us to sign off, right? Jacoby transfers allows us to show invitational game values. The Texas transfer in combination with the Jacoby transfers will allow us to show invitational slam hands. And then the Texas transfer itself will be used to show both the game going 6+ card suit and the slam going 6+ card suit majors. Okay, so the Jacoby transfer has a minor suit element to it. Texas transfer does not. Texas transfer is just going to focus on the majors. So we're also going to have a way to show 5-5 invitational in the majors to game, 5-5 invitational game going slam interest. We'll be able to show 6-4 major suits game going. We'll have our whole major suit structure at the end of this. So Texas transfer by itself, what it does, it has 2 different hands in it. The first hand is where you want to show game only hands. And the second hand you want to use it for is when you want to show slam going hands. When you are using Jacoby transfers, right, you can use Jacoby transfers and then jump to game to show your slam invitational hands, right? So we're going to have buckets that we're going to fill up for all of our 5-card majors, 6-card majors, 6-4, and 5-5 hands.